Human Body Systems. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the resources available to you on Canvas and on Project Lead the Way's website. We do not use Google Classroom in our biomed classes. You're going to start by logging on to your Canvas account that you created, and you can find the welcome email here. Click on that. And you've already read this email if you've checked your school email, and hopefully you've already created your myprojectleadtheway.org account. The good thing this year is that Project Lead the Way lets you create your own user ID and password. I don't give you that. So if you haven't already created your pltw.org account, go ahead and click on this link. And it takes you here, and you will need to make note, though, of this join code, this class code, because that'll get you into our HBS class. This will be the site that you access all of your assignment directions. So let me go ahead and show you what the Project Lead the Way site looks like. It's been a long time since you have looked at it. But when you get logged on, PLTW site is going to look like this for you. You'll have courses that you'll click on. And then you'll have all the courses, the Project Lead the Way courses that you're enrolled in. And because I'm a teacher, I've got all of them, but you'll probably just have Human Body Systems. And here's where you can click on each unit to find the directions, but I prefer going to this left-hand page because it kind of shows you everything at once. So 111 Amazing Facts, that'll be an assignment that we do the week after next. And so in Canvas, I will tell you, for example, do steps 1 through 9 and upload them to Canvas. And then another assignment will be do steps 10 through whatever and upload it to Canvas. So you're just accessing your assignments here on Project Lead the Way's website. It's over on Canvas where you actually turn them in. So let me show you how to turn assignments in, or just refresh your memory on how to turn assignments in. So you'll go back to modules. Modules is going to be your one-stop shop for everything. And down here, you'll see you have an assignment. You have 2 of them, actually. 2 first week of school assignments. All About Us is the first one, and it's due September 4th. So is Tell Me About Yourself, September 4th. Both of them are worth 20 points. So what do you need to do with these assignments? Well, you click on them. The All About Us assignment that's due on Friday is watching my About Me video right here. And then you're going to shoot your own video, any kind of platform that you want. If you want to do a TikTok, or if you want to do a YouTube video like I did, or just video yourself on your phone and just upload that file. Doesn't matter to me. But you're going to answer how you've spent your downtime during the pandemic and what you're most excited about for this upcoming school year. So once you get your video created, or your assignment, if it's a written assignment, you click Submit Assignment. And then you can use any one of these. If you have your assignment in your Google Drive, click here. If you like Dropbox and that's where your assignment is, click there. If it's a YouTube URL, click here. But mine was just uploaded onto my computer, so I'm going to do File Upload. Choose File. Here's my All About Me video. And then you're going to click Submit Assignment. Now my video is kind of big, so it's going to show that it's going to take a while to upload it. But that's just how you upload your assignments. So let's go back to modules. And that's how you turn assignments in. Let's go back to our welcome email that I was on. So you've created your Canvas, you've created your Project Lead the Way account. You clearly created your Canvas account because you're on here with me right now. But here's an option for you that if you don't like to turn your work in using your laptop, you can actually turn your work in with the Canvas student app. So you can download the Canvas Student app on your phone, but when it asks for you to find your school, don't type in Johnson Central. Instead, you're going to type in free Canvas account. That's your school. Johnson Central doesn't have a subscription to Canvas, so free Canvas account will be your school. Then you'll log in with your normal Canvas credentials that you created, and make sure that your Canvas app notifications are on, because if I send you an announcement or if your assignment gets graded, it'll tell you. And I promise not to blow your phone up with announcements. One of the biggest pieces of advice that I can give you, that's probably going to be the best piece of advice that I can give you, is to keep a calendar of your assignment due dates, not just for biomed, but for all of your classes and your work schedule and your practice schedule, your obligations, so that you can budget your time. You're not going to have a teacher with a list of all the stuff that's due on Friday written on the board. You're not going to have a teacher's in your ear reminding you, turn this in, turn this in, turn this in. It's all on your shoulders. So make sure that you write down every single one of your assignments for all your classes. Write your work schedule in. Write your obligations in on your calendar so that you can plan your time accordingly. And if you don't have a planner, I'm a happy planner person. You don't have a planner that's you bought in a store, you can just Google calendar templates, and you can print these. And if you don't even want to go that far, just get you a piece of paper and draw a calendar on it and write in what all your obligations are and check them off as you do them. So a calendar is the best tip that I can give you. We're going to have weekly Google Meets on Thursdays at 10 a.m. using this Google Meet link right here. The Meet link will not change. So every Thursday at 10 a.m., this will be the Meet link that you click on to join us. I don't care that you show yourself on the Google Meet. Doesn't matter to me. I'm not going to expect everybody to show me what your background is. But I do want you to join so that you can listen and interact as we go over what is due that Friday. And other people can ask questions if they're not sure, or you can ask a question if you're not sure how to do a part of an assignment. Ask then. I'll even go over things that I noticed in years past that kids did wrong on whatever assignments are due at the end of the week. And if you're not able to join this Google Meet when everybody else does, I'll post the recordings of the meetings in the archived Google Meet section of our Canvas course. So out here back in modules, archived Google Meets, I'll link all of our Google Meets for every single week down here so that if you miss one, you can go back and watch it whenever you can. So let me go back to the welcome email. So we've talked about creating your Project Lead the Way account to get your assignments. We've talked about creating your Canvas account to turn your assignments in. We've talked about the importance of creating a calendar so that you don't miss deadlines. We've talked about our Thursday Google Meets at 10 a.m. They won't last none of them will last past 10:55 a.m. And I'm always an email or a text away. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to send an email or send a text message. But if you do send a text message, make sure to tell me who you are so that I'll know who I'm responding to. I've also added a screenshot of all the kids that are in Human Body Systems class down here, and you can even reach out to them for help. If some of them are your friends, even if they're not your friends, you can still email them. Their email address is their first dot last, and then all this other stuff, just like yours is. The only person that has a slightly different email is Nathan Maynard, because we have two Nathan Maynards. So his is actually Nathan.Maynard3. Instead of just Nathan.Maynard. So reach out to the kids in the class. Use them as your lab partners if you need to bounce ideas off of. So once again, I am just a hop, skip, and a jump away. If you do have any questions, send questions to me.